Hello, respectable audience. We have a question. 90 divided by 3 times 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8, is it 10? And here it is 3. So it will become 30. 90 divided by 30 will be equal to 3. But remember that 3 is not answer. So we will solve, first of all, we have to solve this parentheses. So we will get 90 divided by 3. Here is no sign, so we will put multiplication sign. 2 plus 8, it will be equal to 10. Now, don't multiply first because it is against the order of operation. So first of all, we have to divide. Means we have to solve 90 divided by 3. 90 divided by 3 will be equal to 30 times 10. Now it has become simple. So 30 times 10, we will get 300, which will be our correct answer. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.